It's 1:46 p.m. Tuesday, November 15th, 2022, and we are coming into the brand new Silver Line Metro Rail station at Washington Dulles International Airport. This is the Silver Ticket Express train, a special train for lovers of metro and transit. Heading from Wiehle, Reston East, the previous terminus of the Silver Line, to Ashburn. So I don't think we are actually making a stop at the airport because this is not an official passenger train. That will depart from Ashburn heading to Largo, Maryland. Well, it's supposed to depart in 10 minutes, so maybe a few minutes after that, but pretty close to the schedule. And there's the famous Aero Saarinen designed main terminal of IAD. And we pass now through the station, which will see its first passengers boarding about 2:15. So there's some already waiting on the platform. So about half an hour, the station will officially open, 60 years after the airport. And there is right now a Silver Line train coming eastbound this direction from Largo, Maryland, that's also supposed to pass through Dulles about 2:15. And those two trains, if the timing goes right, will pass each other and officially open up the Dulles Airport station. So we're in the first car of the Silver Ticket train, and we have but a few silver ticket holders here, most of them hoarded in the very last car with Randy Clark, the Metro General Manager. In fact, in the second car, there is nobody. So if you had boarded that car, you would have had your private Metro Express special train to Ashburn. So we have, once we leave the airport here, there will be two more stops. Loudon Gateway at Virginia 606 and the Dulles Greenway, and then Ashburn at Virginia 772 Ryan Road and the Dulles Greenway. And this is all the cargo center of the airport. We're all on elevated track here until we come down into the median of the Dulles Greenway toll road. And that is the little known back exit from the airport out to Virginia 606. Now coming up shortly, there will be a track that splits off to the left to go into the new Dulles Rail Yard, which is the largest train maintenance area of the whole metro system, that also was built new with this project. And here is the junction here. There's not actually a view of the rail yard from the main line, but that is the branch that goes off into the forest, into the new rail yard. And that is our passage through Washington Dulles International Airport, just about 30 minutes before the station opens to the public. And there's the second junction with the tracks from the rail yard, and now we are in the median of Dulles Greenway.